powerful golden dragon, protector of the land of 1,000 legends, was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Miwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
I have been working out for 20 minutes.
This is the life.
Have you come here also?
Nope. Next.
But that's the way the dragon's eye is pointing. If they're here, that means Boo must be nearby. We shouldn't make our presence known unless we have to.
We'll just have to find another way. Come on.
So, where's this other way?
I don't know. I didn't say there was another way. I said we had to find one.
Look!
Bandits!
No. Let's be reasonable, gentlemen. You've already taken everything I have.
Not everything.
That urn you're carrying looks mighty heavy.
No. It's quite light. Wouldn't want to trouble you, really. Be careful. It's fragile.
Dragon Tido! Huh? Pick on someone your own size.
My urn! Oh dear!
Scary!
I got it!
Boo! Say, nice urn. What's in it?
Jinho, you'll have to excuse our friend.
Who are you?
We're the 4 elements. I'm Raindrop, that's Xiaoyan, Miwa, and the curious monkey is Jinho.
My name is Keith. I'm the Prince of the Kingdom of 100 Hills. I owe you my life. Any assistance I could offer you would be a great pleasure.
We need to find a way around this mountain. There are people ahead we'd rather not meet.
Well, I've lived here a few years now, studying under a brilliant hermit. Odd man, my master. As far as I know, this is the only route through.
That's it then.
Well, I might suggest something a little less, confrontational.
Stop! Let's have a look at you.
Oh, I wouldn't do that if I were you. My bodyguards are very sick. Very, very sick. And probably contagious.
Go away!
Not so fast! What's in this? Open it!
Yes.
Snakes!
Snakes? Snakes! Yes, snakes. Big, angry, poisonous snakes. They sound quite riled up, what with being cramped up and all. You sure you want me to open the urn?
No. Just go.
Impossible! This is the only way through the mountains. How could the elements not turn up?
No one passed by except for a couple of peasants and a guy with 4 bodyguards.
And he won't let us see their faces, 'cause they're sick, and we might get the germs.
You fools! Those 4 bodyguards were the elements. Now you've let them through. They could be anywhere.
But this place is so big. We don't even know where to begin. It's not like we can see everywhere at once.
See everywhere at once? That's it. I've got a great idea. You're a genius, Boom.
Well, I guess this is where we part ways, Your Highness.
Like my master says, all good things must come to an end. But if there's anything else I can do for you...
Show us what's inside the urn.
Jinho!
Oh, all right. Please.
It's a gift from my master, and he says it contains my heart's desire.
Your heart's desire? What is it?
I don't know. Besides, my master told me not to open it until I got home. I think it's a test of some sort.
Aha! Your master said you're not allowed to open it, but he never said anything about me opening it.
I never thought about it that way. You do have a point.
Great, it's settled then. Open, says me.
No! Wait!
General, you wanted to see us?
Boys, it's time to reveal my latest creation.
It's kind of freaky.
It's beautiful.
It's what will find me the elements once and for all.
Mora! Mora!
No more. No more dancing, please.
No, Mora. She's Mora, my master's daughter and my heart's desire.
As you are mine, Kichibu.
But why'd your father put you in that urn?
We were actually thinking of a cake at first, but we ran out of flour.
There are endless supplies of flour back in my kingdom. Mora, marry me, and you can bake all the cakes you want for the rest of your life.
Oh, yes, Kichibu. I'll be your wife.
Yes, yes! This is the happiest day of my life!
See, I told you there wouldn't be any strife.
You're right, Gold Monkey. With Mora by my side, nothing can go wrong, ever. Mora? Mora!
Why couldn't you have given her legs too?
It won't need legs where it's going. Look! Pay attention! This rocket will take the eyeball up into the sky. The eyeball will be fixed onto the rocket via special eyeball-friendly clamps here and here.
Wow.
Yes. Wow.
A Terra will be placed in seat A here, and then launched into the air where the eyeball will be released and hover in space.
Sounds great.
It will then allow us to see anywhere we want in the land of 1,000 legends. I call it my eye in the sky. Now, this eye is one of a kind. So be careful with it.
Yes, General.
This monkey is driving me bananas.
Bananas, that's it.
Luring her with a banana. Good idea.
Hey, that's my lunch.
Here, monkey.
My banana.
So we've got the monkey. Now what?
Maybe we can find something in the urn to turn her back. Oh, nothing. Aha!
What did you find? Instructions?
It says made in the kingdom of 312 ceramics.
No! You Gold Monkey, it's all your fault.
But we've got Mora now, and you can still marry her.
I can't marry her like this. She's a monkey.
Huh?
No, Mora, I didn't mean it. Come back. Find my master. He'll know what to do.
Where do we find him?
His address is on the card.
He'll never catch the monkey on his own. Come on, Jinho.
Guess it's up to us to find the Hermit.
Perfect. Once that light turns on and the Terra releases the eye, the world will be mine to look at. Prepare the launch. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
So how does the Terra get back down?
Stop, my love. I'm sorry. Oh, no. Now I'll never be able to catch her.
Super monkey, up, and away! Hey,
I've got you. Gold Monkey? Then where's Mora?
This must be the place.
Maybe the Hermit went for a walk.
Or maybe this is a test. See this? A riddle. Maybe we're supposed to guess the answer before the Hermit will see us.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
This is going to be tough.
The terrors are too heavy, causing the rocket to explode before it gets high enough. I'll need someone lighter. Flamer would do. But he's too important. I need someone expendable.
Oh, me! I'm expandable! See?
As much as I'd love to shoot you off into space, Grub, the rocket would never take off with you on it. Now be quiet. I need someone else. Think, Boo. Think. Huh? Confound it, Grub! Stop that infernal racket! I can't think!
But it wasn't me.
Huh? Then go find out who's making that racket and bring them to me. Flamo, go with him.
That sounds like...
Mora! They've got my Mora! What do they want with my Mora?
We'll just have to follow them and find out.
You take it to him!
No, you take it.
Grub, I thought I told you to bring me... Huh? The perfect solution to my problem! Excellent work, Flamo! I'll teach this monkey to work the controls, then send it out into space and release the eye!
They're gonna turn Mora into a space monkey. Cool! Okay, not so cool.
This General Boo looks like an agreeable chap. If I explain everything, I'm sure he'll give me back my Mora.
No way! Boo is evil.
The only thing he listens to is...
You've never tried being diplomatic before, have you?
No.
Not really.
Well then, you're about to witness the fine art of negotiation.
Take her to the dungeon.
Hello, excuse me. Oh, hi, pardon me. Frightfully sorry. I hate to be a bother, but it's about that monkey, you see?
What about it?
Her. The monkey. It's a her. And it, well, it's my wife.
Huh?
Well, that is, she's not really my wife, but I do want to marry her. It's a bit odd, I know, but well, it's kind of a long story, really. Oh! Let me explain.
No, I completely understand.
You do?
Yes, you love this monkey and you want to be with it.
Exactly. Oh, well, that's one way of putting it.
Well, your wish is granted.
Oh. No, that wasn't meant to happen.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
To get to the other side?
No, too obvious. Think, Xiaoyan. Think like the Hermit. Why indeed? The only possible answer from an existential perspective is, why not?
Can I help you?
Oh, I did it! I solved the riddle and summoned the Hermit!
No. I was just coming back from a walk in the woods.
What? But this riddle on the door!
It's quite a good one, isn't it? So, why are you here? To seek the truth? To find the way?
To help your daughter, Mora.
No, this is just wonderful. My true love's turned into a monkey. I'm stuck in a prison cell, and now I have nits. Oh, you're always into grooming me. Oh, Mora, I may have been born a prince, but you make me feel like one. I'm going to marry you even if you are a monkey. Oh, it'll take a bit of adjusting to, I admit, but by golly, I'll give it a red hot go. Huh?
General Boo wants to see you now.
Mora! Mora! No, Mora! Give me back my sweet monkey, Mora!
This place always gives me the creeps.
Well, if you hadn't opened the urn, we'd be happily on our way back to the Dragon's Gate instead of skulking around here looking for the prince and Mora.
Hey! Enough with the monkeying around!
Grub must be taking Mora to the rocket. We don't have much time. I'll get the prince while you save Mora.
Why do I always get the monkey jobs?
Bread and water. It's not terribly original. Look, well, you don't have to fall to pieces over it.
Now that's how you negotiate with Boo and his goons.
Barbaric, but effective.
Come on, let's get out of here.
No, what about my Mora? I can't leave without her.
Don't worry, Kichi-Boo. Jinho's got it covered.
You want a banana, monkey?
Bananas.
Then watch carefully. Light comes on.
Light comes on.
You pull lever,
Oh, lever.
and you get a banana. Understood?
Yes.
Now your turn.
Light comes on. Oh, lever.
And you get... Grump, go and see what's making that noise.
I never get to do nothing fun because General Boo thinks I'm stupid. I'll show him I'm not stupid. It can't be. My own monkey. And I know just what to do with you. And when I've trained you to be the perfect space monkey, the General will think I'm smart. Nighttime already? So spinny.
Barbaric, but effective.
Come on, Mora. Let's get out of here. No time for food, my love. We've got to go.
Grub? Sleeping on the job?
Huh? Hey, where's the monkey?
It's right there. And the training program is complete. No thanks to you. Flamo,
Yes, General.
prepare for launch.
Sir, yes, sir.
Look, it's Xiaoyan and Niwa.
And my master's with them. You'll be all right soon, my love.
Wait a minute.
I see you found my daughter. Now to change her back before this gets worse. Presto! Ah?
Guys,
Abracadabra! Hocus pocus! Macaroni and cheese! Stir
Mr.
fried
Hermit?
tofu! Change, you silly monkey!
What?
we've got the wrong monkey.
That's what I've been trying to tell you all along.
For a moment there, I thought my spell no longer works. Oh, wait. If you're not Mora, then Mora is...
Over there.
I didn't train you to change into a human. Change back into a monkey. Now!
Who? Monkey? Me?
Huh? Abort the launch! Abort the launch!
Launch? What launch?
Abort the launch!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, my love.
Oh my eye!
We've got to get Mora off that rocket.
How? It's already in the sky!
I got a plan. Jinho,
I'm ready.
monkey away!
A flying monkey!
The elements! They're here! Forget the eye! Terrors! Seize the elements!
It's all a dream! A really bad dream! Ah! It's not a dream! It's a nightmare! Ah! Huh? Go monkey!
Monkey Rescue Service at your, service. Hold on tight.
This battle's about to get hot. Flaming hot.
I don't suppose you have a plan on how we're going to land?
Working on it. Aha! Now flap, flap.
It's not working!
Good thing I had an umbrella.
Look out!
Huh?
You can't keep this up forever.
I won't need to. I'm ending this now.
Sleeping isn't gonna help you.
Who's sleeping?
Huh?
Frozen ice wall!
That sounds like it's gonna hurt.
Oh, that's cold. What can I say? I'm just too cool. What?
Raindrop!
General, you might want to look up.
No more of your tricks. There's no escape for you this...
I tried to tell you. Nice of you to drop by.
Looks like you gave Boo an eyeful.
My Kichiboo!
Sorry to break up the reunion, but we've got unwanted company.
My years of study and experience suggest that he, rats.
Wise words indeed. Let's get out of here.
I'm sorry, Master. I failed your test.
Really? How do you figure?
What? Mora turned into a monkey, disappeared, got kidnapped, very nearly got blown into tiny bits while holding a disturbingly large eyeball.
But she didn't.
This is so... confusing.
All your actions today show how much you love my daughter. I give you permission to marry her.
Oh, Father, thank you.
Thank you, Master, and thank you, dear friends. I owe you a great debt. You're forever welcome in my kingdom.
Our kingdom.
Oh, yes, darling. Of course.
Thank you, Prince. Thank you, Mora. We'll make sure to visit once our quest is over.
Wait a minute. I helped to save Mora, too. Don't I get anything?
A reward? Well, here. I think you earned that.